were here before we named the ice.
Ice responds to their song.
Mineral and muscle woven by winter. Breath that writes geometry.
Minerals are its batteries. Fish, its warmth.
2 centuries of winters counted in light. Air obeys their edges. They keep oaths with stone. A song builds what claws cannot. Storms overfill their hearts. We wrote myths. The ice kept records.
Precision, not fury.
They drink from the sky.
Cold mends what time cannot.
The pantry of the pole empties. Too much sky and nowhere to put it. Some endings are chosen.
It sings a winter that never breaks.
Not death. A promise. A guardian tuned to the storm. The song travels farther than flight. Proof is a pattern you can feel. If you listen in winter, you'll hear wings.